Hello everyone, welcome to the new UI UX design tutorial. In this video we are going to design this travel mobile application, and for the travel app mobile application we are going to design this three screens, which is onboarding screen, here is a home discover screen, and here is a detail screen. Okay, and here you see all the images for this image and all these images, all the icons here. You will find these icons in the resources page. Okay, click in the link in the description below where you can find the resources file and you can access to this file and you can get the images here. Okay, you see the icons and the avatar we have used for this design tutorial. Okay, so let's get started. First we are going to create a frame. Now how to create a frame, let's go to this, or you can create just a shortcut for frame is F. You can create F, and here you see the options. Okay, frame options, we are going to use the latest one, iPhone 14 15 Pro Max. Click this one. Yep, and let's name this onboarding. Okay, we are going to create another screen and the name of this screen is home screen or explore screen. Okay, so let's give it a home name, and the third screen will be our detail screen, travel detail screen. For example, if you click on the particular destination, then you will see the details of that destination. So let's focus on the home screen and put aside this. Let's focus on the onboarding screen and let's put aside home screen and detail screen here. Okay, awesome. Let's go to resources, and you see this is the image we are going to use for our onboarding screen. Command C, copy it, and let's go to draft onboarding, paste here. So this is a big image. You see here is the boundaries of the image. What you want to do is click shift on your keyboard and drag it down. Click shift and click shift and alt and drag, resize it so that it fits the screen. Okay, this is the kind of a picture we want for this screen. Now click on the onboarding screen and give a curve. Well, curve is not an important part, but still let's give the curve. Great. Let's add some text, and the text for this screen will be, sorry, it's a big text. Let's search Satoshi. If you don't have Satoshi, you can go to Google and download Satoshi font, or you can use any font you want. You can use Roboto too, because Roboto is a Google font, it's free, you can use that. A new way to travel. Awesome. Now bring this inside the frame. You see one thing here, this is outside the frame. A new way to travel is outside the frame, and we want to bring this frame inside it. Okay, so here you see when you bring it, it will be nested inside the onboarding. Okay, so when you delete the frame, for example command delete it, the whole thing will be deleted, the text will be deleted. All the text here in this particular text has moved to this spot. Okay, yep, the whole thing is deleted. Previously I just deleted the frame, so the text was left. Okay, here is it. Let's give a layout grid of columns, which will be 16. Yep, now it's not very visible, the layout. You see the layout is not very visible. So what could we do to make it visible? We can maybe change the color, to blue, and we can increase the opacity. Yep, now it's very visible. Okay, so we have, yes, and you can increase the size. Right now I have 32. Now we can remove it. We have used our columns. Okay, maybe we can make it 40, I guess. 40. Okay, and make it black. Okay, now give a subline, subheading, bring your adventure to life. This is the subheading we are going to use. I think 20 is fine. Make it medium and make it white. Okay, so let's add a style. Let's add this color, white color, to our style, so we don't have to change the color over and over again. The name of this color is white. So we have our white in our color styles. So for example, if I change the color maybe to something like black, okay, you can just go to fill and use the color style. Great. Now we want to create a button, explore button, for this page. Text, explore. Okay, now click Shift A. So we have created an auto layout around the text. Okay, around the explore text. What you want to go here, and first let's bring back our layout grid. We need that. Okay, and align this in between. So if you bring this, the explore button here, which is not a button yet, but bring it outside, you see we don't have an alignment here because it's outside this frame, or outside this onboarding frame. Here you can see this is outside the frame, but if you bring it inside, if you drag and drop it inside, it's now inside the frame. Now it's here, we have aligned. So you can align it to the right, align it to the left, or you can align it in the middle, which we want right now to align it to the middle. Okay, now what we want is, okay, 20 is fine. Make it bold is fine. Make it 16. Probably 20 would be better. I think 20 is too much. Let's see. Okay, make it 60. Give a color. Fill would be something pink peach color, something like this. Okay, and give padding until it's on the edge of our layout. Yep, here we are. Give a curve until it's totally rounded, which is 40. Great. Yeah, I think it works. Maybe it could be, I don't know, a bit darker, I guess. Yeah, I think this one is fine. Okay, now you see the background is also bright, the text color is also bright. So we want to give a dark, gradient, a dark background, so that the color is very visible. So create a rectangle. The shortcut for rectangle is R, and using shift you can proportionally increase the rectangle size. And yep, now control on your keyboard or command on your Mac, control on your tap on control if you're using Windows, tap on command if you're using Mac, and your left bracket option to bring down the layers. You see on the right here the layers is going down, and here you can also visually see the layer is going down. See, one more time and tap one more time. Yep, it's below. Now if we tap one more again, it will go below the image, which we don't want that. We want it above the image. Okay, now make it black. Great. Now give a gradient, black. Click here and make it, I don't know, 0%. 0% is better. This should be 40%. Yeah, I think we can have it more. Sorry, Command Z. 70%. Yep, I am still not very convinced with the color. I think this is better. Let's see. In the future we can change the color. We can change the color anytime you want. Okay, so no problem with that. Let's add this color. Let's add this color here to our color styles. This would be our primary color. Primary. Awesome. Oops, where is primary color? Here you see white and primary. Great. Now the next step is to create our home screen. Bring it here. Yep, that's our home. And let's give a more curve to it. 40 curve. Let's give a 40 curve. Awesome. Now home, what we want to do is simple. Let's give a text, which is let's discover. Make it 24, bold. Let's bring our layout grid. Where is our layout grid? Okay, we haven't added our layout grid. So what you want to do is click here and add the layout grid, which is, name it layout 101. You can disable it. You can go here and bring layout. Okay, simple. We need our avatar icon. So let's go to avatar, Command C, copy it, go to draft, and Command V, paste here. It's big. Decrease the size of our avatar. Yeah, it's fine. Now let's give a search bar here. Give a curve of 10. 10 is fine. And make it a bit lighter. Great. Now let's go to plugins and search an Iconify and click on icon. If you don't have an Iconify plugin installed, I will highly suggest you to go and do that. Okay, if you don't want to install plugin, you can go to SVG repo, or you can go to Freepik to download icons. And the icon we are going to use is, yeah, its star is already searched, so we want to use one of the star icon. And also we want to use, for right now we want to use search icon. Let's bring here search icon. Awesome. Great. It's actually not bluish color, just because it's because of the layout you see, it's bluish. and the layout is not permanent. You can always remove that. Even if even if the layout is on, if you export it, the layout will not be visible. It's only visible to you. Okay. Okay, let's bring back. Search destination. Yeah, and of course, if you have any questions regarding the UI UX design, or webflow design, or framework development, framework site development, or UI UX design, UI design, UX design, any questions regarding that, you can comment down the video, and in the next video I will try to answer that question, or in the comment only I will try to answer that question, whatever the problem you have. Okay. Great. Now the next step is to create a section that says categories. Categories. Bold. Now it's a time. Let's give our text style. The text style we are going to give is headline, which is, this is a headline. Categories, you see the text is a headline, so headline. Okay. Now click on home and detach the layout, detach the style. Now we want 4. We don't want to detach it. I have a different idea. Let's give another grid style. This time the grid style properties would be grid, columns, 4 count, and margin will be 16. Same. And layout 102. And I will tell you the reason why I have created this layout 102. Oops, we want to edit it. Great. Because we want a 4 section here, 4 category section, that's why we wanted 4 layout, so we can do it easily. Command D to duplicate it. Okay, remove it, we don't want now, and give a curve of 20. 20 is too much. 16, yeah, 16 is better. And give a corner smoothing of 100%. Okay, select first one and change the color to something like blue. Yep. And second one something like yellow. Yep. And third one is same, bluish but different blue. Great. And the fourth one is like a kind of orange. Yeah, that's it. And here we want to create another text that's called see all, because there are more categories than these 4 categories. Okay, and change the color to primary. we want a subheading that is flights. This would be 16. This would be subheadline. This would be medium. Okay. Now things to do. Great. The third one is hotels. And the fourth one is car rentals. Awesome. Great. And let's give our icons that we have collected in the resources. Copy all this one. Copy this, copy this, copy this. Command C, select all this using Shift, Command C, Command V, paste here. Oh, it's too big. Decrease the size. Click on K on your keyboard and Shift and decrease the size. Bring it here. Click the background, you see this color fill. Click here and click this background so it's both are same. Same for this one. And right now this is 76.2, make it probably 60. 60 would work better. Yup. Command C. This is for hotels. Paste here. Yep. Same with this one. Make it 60. Great. Select this last color and same here. Awesome. Command C or Command X, whatever you want, and paste here. Same thing here, make it 60. Select the last color, select the last vector, which is this fill, and change the color to this one. Awesome. And last one we have is flights. Sorry, flights. Command C, Command V. Great. You need to follow those lines. You see, it's easy to understand. And select this one, select the icon and select the background. Command G, so group it together. Great. Select the balloon and select the background and group it together, and select inside, and yep, same for this one, group it together. Same for this one, group it together. trending places to visit. Awesome. We don't want sub headline, we want a headline. Yep. Create a rectangle. Using shortcut for rectangle is R, and create a rectangle. And now what we want is go to home and bring back our layout, and say is aligned properly to our layout. Great. Make it 20. Yeah, 20 is good. 20. Go to resources and copy this one, Command C, and paste here. It's too big. What you want to do here is click on the image. What you want to do here is click on the image and click Shift Control Alt C and Control Alt V. What you just did is it copied the properties of this rectangle, which is the image, and pasted here, which is an easy way to just copy paste the images. Again, this is the rectangle we have got, and this is the rectangle this is the image we have got, and let's give it a name. Let's give Amsterdam. I know it doesn't look like Amsterdam, but Amsterdam. Give the name. Click Shift A and detach it. We want to make it 24, and this one we want to make it 16, and create a rectangle here. Just copy the same thing what we did here. Control Alt C, or on your Mac Option Command C and Option Command V, or Control Alt V. So we have here, but we want to give a curve on the bottom. The curve would be 20. Great. And now using Alt or Command bracket, left bracket, bring it down. Here we have. Group it together and give this name a group name as Amsterdam. We want to create two more groups similar to this. What you want to do is Alt or Option on your Mac, Alt on your Windows, and drag it, and we have created one more. We have duplicated one more group, and click on K on your keyboard, and using Shift Option or Shift Command on the Windows, in the Mac, I guess, and shift alt on your windows and proportionally decrease the size of the one of the group, and then control bracket left bracket option to bring down the. Let's go to resources and Control Alt C, copy the properties, which is copy the image, and Control Alt V. Make it 40. That's great. One more thing you want to do, Command C, Command V, and move it below, same K, and decrease the size. Great. Go to resources and option Command C or Control Alt C on your Windows. Go to draft and paste here. Same process, give a curve of 20. That's it. Fix this one. Great. And last thing we want to do for this screen is to create a bottom navigation bar. Bring back our layout and create a bottom navigation bar. The size could be from 90 to 100. We want to give it 96. Great. Give an effect, drop shadow, and make it blur 12 times, and opacity also 12 is fine. Opacity could be less. 8% is fine. Maybe we want to decrease the height. Yeah, better. Let's go to plugins and Iconify, and let's search for 4 icons we need. First one is home icon. Okay, the home icon we are going to use here is this one, simple and sweet home icon. And the second one is location, and we are going to use this one, location. Third icon we are going to use is categories. I don't know they have or not categories. We are going to manually create categories. And let's go to fourth icon, which is our person profile. Let's first create categories icon. It's simple, it's very simple. Click on R on your keyboard, rectangle, and create something like this. Select all 3, make it 4, give a curve 1 2 3 4. Great. Command G and make the fill black. That's it. This is our categories icon. Bring our home here, bring our location here, bring our profile here, bring our categories here. Okay, 24 by 24, 24 by 24. This is also 24 by 24. Click here and create a frame selection. We have group it. You can ungroup it because we already have frame, and decrease the size a bit. This is 24. Yep, awesome. Now what you want to do is go to home, bring our layout grid, put this in the middle, put this in the middle of the grid. Yep, here we have. The only thing what you are going to do is go to selection color and make it primary. For these three, you can change the color, decrease opacity to maybe probably 30%, and yep, I think we might want to increase the size because it's looking too small. Maybe we can make it 32 by 32. 32. Same here. 32. The last one is also here. You can see the value changing, or here you can see the value changing. 32. Awesome. Let's bring back our layout grid once more and see how does it look. Let's remove layout. Let's see how does it look. Yep, it looks fine to me. Give a curve of 40. Simple and sweet. And we want to create another screen called detail screen. I think this video is already a bit long. Maybe we can do this in the next video. No, let's complete it. Why? Let's go to the next video. Let's complete this in this video only. Okay. Create a rectangle. Shortcut for rectangle is R. Awesome. And give a curve. $20 is fine. Let's go to resources, and we want to select this one. Control Alt C or Option Command C on your Mac. Control Alt C on your Windows, and paste here. Yep. It's a bit skewed, I think. Okay, let's make it a bit Mm, yeah, I think that's fine. Give a curve of 20 to the base. 20, 20. Awesome. Give a layout grid of layout 101. Awesome. Now let's give a headline. The name of this place would be Osaka Castle. Give a text style of headline. We want to give a rating 4.4. We have our star. Let's bring our star here. Yep. And duplicate is using Shift Alt or Shift Option on your Mac, Shift Alt on your keyboard on your Windows, and duplicate it, Command D. Select all these three and click Shift A. And you want to make it something like goldenish color. We can see it clearly when we remove our layout grid. I think this works perfectly. Maybe we want to give a bigger headline. Make it 24. $1,333 reviews. Make this color our primary. Yup, easy, awesome. Not a very simple thing. Give a sub headline. Castle in Japan. Castle in Osaka, Japan. Yep, 575757 is the color I am giving here. And let's give a description. We can give an original description of Castle Osaka, but I don't want to do that. Let's give just a demo description. Click this one, click the Shift A. Click this one, click this one, Shift A, 16. And I just want to give a sample description. How to give a sample description. Go to plugins, which is lorem ipsum description, and select content tool. This is the plugin you want to use for your description. Whenever lorem description you want to give, apply all, and make this one Sublime, and give the same color this one. What is the color we have given here? 5757. So 57. Command C, paste here. Maybe we want to decrease the size, decrease the text a bit. Awesome. Create a rectangle here. Give both sides white, this side also white. and upper side, which is this side, make it 40%. And click this one, Command C, paste here. Or you can also create a component out of it. Create a component, give this here, you can see the frame one, we want to give button. This is a very simple example of a component, and you can just go to assets and oops, there are too many. Onboarding, this is our component, and paste here, bring here. Give a left and right so it gets fixed. For example, if it's just left or maybe right, then if I do this, you see that button is changing, the size is changing, but here we want fixed left and right. Now the width set to fix for button. Now just give the text you want, which is right now book. Tickets. Awesome. And same here, we want to give it 40. Awesome. So yeah, this was a tutorial on creating our travel application. Only 3 screens, or onboarding, home screen, detail screen. And if you have any questions regarding this tutorial, comment down the video and let me know. Okay, thank you for watching the video. See you in the next UI UX design tutorial video. Bye bye.